Hi everyone, Steve Lawrence with PrimeSource Funding. Today I want to show you how you can quickly and easily download an app for scanning documents with your phone. Now there's plenty of free apps out there available, but one that we like to use and highly recommend is called Adobe Scan. It's available on the Apple and the Android stores, and it's easy to use. Let me show you how. Once the app is installed, you locate the app on your phone, tap the app to open it, locate your document, and start scanning. You'll see the little blue anchors will look for the edge of the document and scan it. Once you're done, you hit continue. And you can save it as a PDF. And then you can either preview it or share it. So let's share it by email. Locate the person you're looking for, and send. And that's how quick and easy it is to scan documents using Adobe Scan. If you have any questions, reach out to your loan officer and we'll be happy to help. Until next time, have a great day.